Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing two moons. One is the familiar natural moon we all know. The other is a new artificial moon, shining brightly. Artificial moons, or illumination satellites, reflect sunlight back to Earth. Acting like giant mirrors, they could illuminate cities, reducing streetlight use. This could revolutionize nighttime lighting. We must weigh the benefits and drawbacks carefully. The most significant benefit of artificial moons is their potential to reduce energy consumption. Streetlights consume a massive amount of electricity, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions. By supplementing or even replacing streetlights in some areas, artificial moons could significantly reduce energy demand. This would lead to lower electricity bills for cities and a smaller carbon footprint for the planet. Reduced light pollution is another potential benefit. Artificial moons could provide more focused illumination, minimizing the amount of light that spills into the surrounding environment. This would benefit nocturnal animals and ecosystems. Furthermore, artificial moons could be incredibly useful in disaster relief efforts. In the aftermath of natural disasters, they could provide illumination to areas without power, aiding rescue and recovery operations.
Section 4. Moonlight and Wildlife. While artificial moons offer several benefits, it's crucial to consider their potential impact on wildlife. Many animal species are adapted to natural cycles of light and darkness. Introducing artificial illumination could disrupt these natural rhythms, affecting animal behavior, reproduction, and migration patterns. For example, nocturnal animals that rely on darkness for hunting or navigation could be negatively impacted. The intensity and color temperature of artificial moonlight could also have unintended consequences. Research suggests that even small changes in light levels can disrupt the delicate balance of ecosystems. It's essential to conduct thorough ecological studies to assess the potential risks to wildlife before deploying artificial moons on a large scale. Mitigation strategies, such as adjusting the intensity and timing of illumination, might be necessary to minimize adverse effects.
Section 5. The price of artificial moonlight. Developing and launching artificial moons is a complex and expensive endeavor. The initial investment costs, including research, development, and deployment, would be substantial. However, proponents argue that the long-term economic benefits would outweigh the initial costs. Reduced energy consumption translates into significant cost savings for cities over time. Furthermore, the development of artificial moon technology could lead to new industries and job creation. The materials science, aerospace engineering, and satellite technology sectors could all benefit from this innovation. The economic feasibility of artificial moons would depend on various factors, including the cost of launch services, the lifespan of the satellites, and the price of traditional lighting alternatives.
Cities reaching for the stars. The concept of artificial moons has garnered global interest. In 2018, Chengdu in China announced plans to launch an illumination satellite. Nicknamed the artificial moon, it aimed to supplement street lighting and boost tourism. The European Space Agency has explored using mirrors to reflect sunlight to Earth. As technology advances, more cities may consider artificial moons.
Section 7. A balancing act weighing the pros and cons. Artificial moons could revolutionize how we light our world at night. They promise energy savings, reduced light pollution, and enhanced disaster relief. But we must consider environmental impacts, especially on wildlife and ecosystems. Research and mitigation strategies are essential to protect our planet's health. Economic feasibility is also crucial, with high initial costs but potential long-term benefits. A balanced discussion on the benefits and risks of artificial moons is vital. Responsible innovation can harness this technology for humanity's and our planet's betterment.